getting a handle on your product analytics and using that to drive kind of smart actions with your customer base. Customer health scores, for example, have been a thing for like a decade, maybe more than a decade, but they're still mostly BS and underutilized. I talk to folks that tell me about the customer health score and they're like, well, if the customer doesn't use the product this month or starts deleting users, then we flag them as at risk. It's like, well, you've actually already lost that, right? To break it down. They are not renewing. They just didn't tell you. You have to think about what are the leading indicators of someone finding value. And it's often setting up sticky integrations, adopting high value features, expanding to multiple use cases, things that create multiple champions in an organization. And if you start to look at what is the adoption of those things in the life cycle of the customer, so how many of them are adopting those in month 1, month 2, month 3, and so on, you can start to drive much higher retention and expansion with your customers and just make smarter decisions because you're making them in a data-driven way rather than a kind of a gut feel way. That's something that if you're a PLG company that has a free trial or freemium motion, you really never had a sales interaction in the first place. So that product analytics data is your lifeblood. Like that is kind of your CRM for converting these folks. But if you don't have that motion, you probably don't realize the value that you can capture from it. And then if you're getting really sophisticated, you can start to use some of those insights to help guide your customers along. So, hey, customers like you who adopt this feature often need XYZ, or hey, we saw you tried to set up this integration, but weren't able to do it. We're going to offer some help through a CSM interaction or support conversation. So you can start to actually not just be aware of your customers and where they are, but actually start to automate or orchestrate getting your customers to see more value.